My name is Cedric Thomas and I run an open source organization in Europe which is called OW2. OW2 supports about 100 projects. We concentrate on infrastructure software that are applications, components, libraries for enterprise information systems, and our DNA is European, so that's what we do. Well, at OW2 we are very concerned by the quality of our project and their market readiness. So we have had the idea to apply that to research projects funded by the European Commission. The idea is that research projects usually do not deliver software that is usable. They deliver something that is half-baked, not entirely deployable, it's not very finished. So our idea was to help this project get closer to the market, and by delivering not just the outcome of research activity, but by packaging this outcome into a software that can be used by third party. And to do that, we thought that it could be a good idea to motivate the project to define and run what we call beta testing campaign. Well, a beta testing campaign fits in the cycle of software development. So you first have the requirements phase, then the development phase, the testing phase. But this testing phase is done by the development team. Now, the beta testing phase is a bit further before you actually deliver the project or the software to the user, to the end user. You have to go through a trial period where you hand over the software to third-party developers, people that are not part of your project, people that you've never heard of, and who can provide you some feedback. That's what a beta testing campaign is about. It lasts 2 months or maybe 3 months, and it ends by a questionnaire. That's why we do that, with a questionnaire, where we collect feedback from developers. Well, ReachOut is a platform it's really a platform that helps project managers define and deploy their beta testing campaign. So we provide them with, we've developed something that manages the users, helps the project managers register, open an account, then register the project, register the campaign, and publish it on the platform. So you can go to ReachOut, it's reachout.project.eu. If you're a project manager, you go there, you register your project and create your campaign. And if you're a developer, you go to the platform and you browse through the project and the campaigns that are there, and you choose the one you like best. Oh, well, there are different motivations for developers to go and take part in beta testing campaigns. The first one is that we're addressing developers that are not very senior developers. So as a junior developer, it's always a good opportunity to discover good software. It's because the research project, they really deliver breakthrough, cutting edge software. So you can really look at what's being done. You understand what is new in terms of software engineering or this kind of new software packages that come out. Another motivation would be to actually grow your own experience. So by looking at software, the way it's made, by discovering different types of software, you can integrate some experience, some lessons into maybe your own work. And the last thing is, really, as a developer, you can get in touch with research teams and world-class researchers, so you can grow your professional network like that. The thing is, another part of it is important, that the vast majority of the projects we host are open source software. So not only you get to use the software, but you can get to read, understand, and even tweak and modify the software if you like.